Hello from Slovenia again. As you can see, I just scraped my paints from the previous pour, and I decided that I will show you that you can use, this is the cup with the scrape of paint. You can see that it's all kind of mixed paints in there, so I will just pour them on canvas and use it as my background for the chaos Dutch pour, I will say. Uh, I will use the same colors that are here in these scrape-offs from my previous pour. I will link my previous pour in the cards that you will see. And the colors that I used were permanent violet, permanent red violet, iridescent green blue, gold, Prussian blue, and I think brilliant blue. Yeah, so I will use the same colors and I will just do a kind of S shape, not an S shape, but that kind of shape with those colors, and then I blow it out, and I really like the result. I like the colors. I like there is no negative space in there because I will blow out this from left to right, or how can I say, to the both sides. So this will be the shape that I will have for my blowout. So yeah, I really like it, and just wanted to show that you don't necessarily need to, mix all these scrape offs together and use it as a background as one color, or how can I say, you can use it that way too. So enjoy the video and don't forget to check out the final dried results at the end. And if you like this, please subscribe, comment, help me and with the algorithms on YouTube. Thank you. So here is a close-up, and I really like it. So I wanted to show you that you don't need to I don't know, mix your scrape of paint and use it as your background. Like, you can do it like that. I'm not quite happy with that part here, with that white, but still okay. This yellowish green color, just beautiful. I really like that, like the movement, like the colors, like everything. So yeah, this was the painting from a scrape of paint and some paint on top. Beautiful. So this is it for today. See you again on Friday. Bye.